are you done extending your work?
Yes.
Okay, so number 1, what's the given figure? It's a, come on. What's the number 1? What do you think is this figure? Considering that both sides are associated with dimension equal to x. What's I'm telling us in the figure? Okay, cube or square?
Square.
Okay, square. So, since it is a square, what is the area of this figure? What's the area?
Square.
Okay, it's x squared. Why x squared? Dahil. Ano x squared man? Ha? Okay, anybody? Why it is x squared?